Air fryer versus deep fryer. Which one will produce the crispiest fries?
Let's slice up a potato, and I'm going to make 2 pieces that are as identical as possible, and first up is going to be the deep fryer.
It looks like it's crispy, but it's just wobbling around. This does not look crispy. And you can't really hear a crisp. Let's go for a bite. It's not really crispy at all. Even the skin itself is still a bit soft. And these are fresh. I didn't wait for this to get soggy. Not impressed.
Next up is the air fryer, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil on this and periodically rotate this until all sides are brown.
It's not wobbly. So I guess this wins on the wobble test. And you can hear a bit of the crisp, but it's not much. It's still not really a snap, but I guess again, that's all in the preparation. It does have a slight crisp when you bite into it. So the air fryer does make it a bit crispier, and by no means it's not super crispy. It's just a bit crispier than deep frying. I didn't do anything super special to any of these. I just wanted to make it as simple and fair as possible. So they were at 390 degrees Fahrenheit until they're both brown, assuming crispy. And I guess the air fryer wins with fries.